What is DevSecOps? In the next 200 seconds, we're diving into the intricacies of DevSecOps. Buckle up as we break down this technical marvel in software development and security. DevOps Foundation. DevSecOps builds upon the foundation of DevOps, extending the collaborative approach to software development, security, and operations. Picture a microservices architecture seamlessly integrating these three pillars. Automation with CI/CD. At the core of DevSecOps is continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. This is not just a pipeline, it's a complex orchestration of code repositories, automated builds, rigorous testing, and deployment strategies. Security as code. DevSecOps transforms security into code, an approach known as security as code. Security measures are now programmatically integrated into the development pipeline, ensuring consistency and repeatability. Automated security testing. Automated security testing tools act as digital watchdogs, scanning code for vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and potential threats. This proactive approach mitigates security risks early in the development lifecycle. Shift left. DevSecOps advocates for early security integration in the development process, minimizing vulnerabilities before they become entrenched. Continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring is the unsleeping sentinel, providing real-time insights into application security. Metrics, logs, and alerts keep teams informed, allowing swift responses to security incidents. Feedback loop. DevSecOps fosters a continuous improvement culture. The feedback loop ensures that incidents become learning opportunities, leading to enhanced security measures and evolved processes. There you have it. DevSecOps is a technical symphony of collaboration, automation, and proactive security integration. Implement these principles to fortify your software development against the ever-evolving threat landscape. If you found this technical exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us on this journey through DevSecOps. Until next time.